As business owners or entrepreneurs, we are very busy people, and sometimes you need help, especially on how to manage your social media platforms. You can either use an individual or you can use an agency. And how do you allow them to access your Meta platforms? For example, how do you allow them to be able to create your content without them necessarily accessing your logins? Because when they access your logins, they're able to access your Facebook personal profile account. They're able to see everything that you're doing. So how do you restrict them to only access the page? Allowing them to only focus on the page. And even you're able to track on the information that has been shared on your platform. If the information is good, if they are really assisting you to be able to generate more income or build your brand. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way in which you can be able to add page roles on Facebook. Welcome. Without further ado, log into your Facebook profile and go to your Facebook business account. And on your left, look for settings. And then on settings, you scroll down to page setup. When you click on page setup, there's the name, there's the management history, page status, page recommendation. You click on page access. So page access allows you to know who's going to access the page, which are the tasks you're going to give them, and the likes. So do you want to give them only a specific task? Maybe you just want them to create posts, or you want them to only create adverts, or you want them to give them full access. So you can select any of the two depending on what you want. So here, so even if you, so here, let's say you want to add people with different access. So you click on it, and then you type the email of the person, how the person is registered on Facebook, or the email address that is linked to the Facebook account. So for example, if you use a name, you will start seeing the different names. So when you select, do you want to give them access, the content, message and calls, to respond to messages, to create ads and delete the ads, to see the different insights, meaning what is working on your social media platform or what is not, or you give full control. Now, full control is majorly advisable to give to only the owners of the page or the admin. You are not supposed to give full control to anyone, because that person can easily delete the page, or it can even remove you from the account. Then it becomes easy, hard for you to be able to access your account. So if you're the owner of the business, or you're an agency, especially if you're the owner and you're linking or talking to an agency, then you can give them access to be able to do all these things, but don't give them full control of your page. So once you do that, you put your password and then you confirm. Now, when you confirm, the person on the other side, or the person that you invited, first of all, should be your friend in Facebook. And then secondly, the person will receive an invite on their Facebook account. If it's you shared an email, they'll receive an invite on their email, and then they'll accept the invite. They're given 30 days to be able to respond. So they'll accept the invite, and therefore they'll be able to start accessing your page. So they'll not need your password to access your page. They'll only need their profile and the password that they used to log into Facebook to be able to access your account. So it's very easy to do that. Once you don't need them, you can also select and also remove them from accessing the Facebook. Maybe you are working with an agency and the agency is no longer working with you. You can be able to remove them from the account and get another one. So it's very good, and it allows you to be able to get assistance on your Facebook page, and allow you to focus on also growing your business. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Bye.